The next chapter of the Ezell Ford case is about to begin. LAPD Chief Charlie Beck will have to decide on what disciplinary measures should be taken against the officers who violated department policy.
And the LA County District Attorney will also consider whether to file criminal charges in the deadly officer-involved shooting. KCAL9 political reporter Dave Bryan joins us now with more on what we can expect. Dave?
Lena Wan, next up is the decision on how the officers in the Ezell Ford case should be punished for violating department policy. Chief Charlie Beck has a wide variety of choices, ranging from a very light penalty all the way up to firing them. The fallout from the police commission's findings.
I'd like to hear the last four speakers.
Now that the police commission has had its say about how two LAPD officers handled the confrontation that led to the death of Ezell Ford, the next chapter will be written by LA County District Attorney Jackie Lacey and LAPD Chief Charlie Beck.
Today, the Board of Police Commissioners, our bosses, made a difficult decision on a categorical use of force in Newton Division that occurred last year.
Chief Beck, who released this video to police officers after the police commission made its decision in the Ford case, urged the officers to police constitutionally and do things right. Beck will now be making the call on punishment for the officers whom the police commission ruled did not do things right in the Ford case.
You take care, and remember, I'm your chief, and you have my support.
It won't be an easy decision for Chief Beck, who had advised the commission that he believed the officers in the Ford case had acted in accordance with department policy. On several counts, the commission disagreed. It's not the first time. Last year, Beck and the commission disagreed on another high-profile officer conduct case.
Well, it has become a very public issue, but that can't be what drives my decision to make these kind of calls, you know? I got a tough job.
In that case, Beck insisted he made his decision on the basis of the facts, not the public debate surrounding the case.
I took a close look at it. I applied the individual's past record. I applied the department's past standards to misconduct, and I made the decision I thought was right.
In the Ford case, critics fear the chief might give the officers a slap on the wrist, since he concluded they did act in accordance with department policy. And although he said he paid no attention to the public debate in last year's case, this time it will be a tough balancing act to keep the trust of the black community and maintain the loyalty of his officers. LA County District Attorney Jackie Lacey will decide whether criminal charges will be filed against the police officers in the case. She released a statement saying her office is now reviewing evidence in the case from the LAPD, but gave no timetable for making a decision. However, the struggle for an officer's gun in the Ford case leads legal analyst and former prosecutor Steve Meister to conclude there won't be any criminal charges brought in the Ford case.
The DA will have very little chance of prevailing when there's such a clear claim of self-defense and defense of a partner officer against someone who, for whatever reason, was trying to get that cop's weapon. So that's why it's not going to be prosecuted, and that's why the police commission standards will not impact or make a difference in the DA's decision.
Now, here's the catch. Since LAPD discipline cases are treated as personnel matters, the information about the officers' internal department penalties are, by law, not public information. So unless that information leaks out, it may remain a secret. And if the officers are unhappy with the chief's decision on punishment, they could appeal that decision to an LAPD Board of Rights, where proceedings are almost always behind closed doors as well.